You don't like this and it doesn't look right. She said, I've only spent a day on it. Please let me like this, please. I'm very scared because this thing is so heavy.
Just quit now if you like.
If you have mature skin, watery, or sensitive eyes, you need the Viral Revant eyeliner. It comes in lots of different colors, including brown, gray, navy, black, green, and purple. Revant has a built-in sharpener. Unlike the old pencil that I have, the gel formula easily glides on without pulling your skin. It is lightweight and easy to apply, and it is smudge-proof and waterproof. So if you are used to eyeliners that are difficult to apply and pull your skin, scratch underneath your eyes when you are applying it, and don't last until the end of the day, you need to try Revant. Last time I shared this, it sold out, so I recommend getting a few different colors. I love the purple and I use the brown a lot. Use this link right here for an extra 10% off.